Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Voices of Victory, a platform where our students come together to share their success stories. Today, we are delighted to be joined by Saurabh, who recently got placed at Scale Computing. Without any further ado, let's get started and dive straight into the conversation. Hi Saurabh, welcome to Networkers Home.
Thank you.
So before starting everything, I want to congratulate on your new job at Scale Computing. Let's begin with your brief introduction. Tell us about yourself and your educational background.
Sure. My name is Saurabh Singh. I am from Bihar and I have completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. So after completion of BTech, I enrolled here a CCI security course in a networkers home where I learned about our CCNA module, CCNP module and our security module.
That's nice, Saurabh. So what factors made you to get influenced to choose your career in Networkers Home?
Actually, during my BTech time, so I had one subject, in my seventh semester, so
Okay.
computer network. So on that time, actually, I learned about the basics of the TCP IP model, OSI model, and the routing switching part. So on that time, I get developed interest in the networking field. So after completion of my BTech, so I just do the little research about our particular networking course. So then I actually found that there is one course CCI security. So
Okay.
that's why I choose this particular field.
Okay, that's nice. Do you feel it's like coming here is a worth it?
Yeah, actually worth it because before joining this institute, I talked to Amish sir. He tell me actually what are the course curriculum, what are the placement. We are providing the placement guarantee course. So actually, I think it's worth it to learn this one.
That's really nice. So, Saurabh, could you please give us a little more insight about how was your experience regarding trainers and the management team?
Yeah, it was pretty good. Actually, I started my CCNA journey with Jatin sir. So when I'm completing my CCNA journey, I started my CCNA journey with Jatin sir. So after completion of my CCNA, I actually aware about that basics of the OSI model, TCP IP model, and the routing switching part. Then when I actually moved to the CCNP model, so I was a little bit confused because there in CCNP there are two modules, routing and the switching. So on that time, I was confused which module I have to start first. So I just take to help to the Amit sir. So Amit sir guided me. Actually, you can go through one by one. If you are capable to do simultaneously, so you can go for it. I have to first routing with our Nikun sir, and after completing of my routing, then I just went to our switching module. In switching module, I just completed my module with the Ajay sir, and after that, when I'm just went to our CCI module, so our whole CCI module I done with the Susin sir. So it was actually very nice journey.
Okay, that's good. So, in the journey of this entire networking educational, you have faced a lot of challenges, if I'm not wrong. So, how did you face that and how did you overcome with that?
Actually, when I'm just during my course, so actually sometime actually I'm not when I'm just attending the lecture. So sometime actually I'm not getting this particular thing how it's working, how it's not, how it's
Yeah.
working. So on that time I was stuck to so I just contact to my trainer. I mean Susit sir, Ajay sir, and they are very helpful and they are always ready to actually always available to actually resolve your issue and where you are stuck in they are also helpful. They are always ready to guide this particular topic where you are just stuck. So on that time actually without any hesitation I'm just asked to my trainer, sir, I'm just stuck on that part, please actually guide me. So they are actually guiding me and that's why I overcome this particular issue.
As a part of education, we provide mock interviews.
Yeah.
So, how many mock interviews did you give, and how was your experience in mock interview?
Actually, it was very good. Actually, it's play the important role to achieve this particular job. So actually,
That's nice.
I just attended approx 4 to 5 mock interviews. In mock interview, actually, I just give the mock interview to different trainer because I want to face the different type of question and different type of scenario question also. So actually, that's helped me a lot to actually get your real interview. So in mock interview, I just get the realize that okay, in real interview, interviewer can ask this type of a question and this type of scenario question we can face in the real interview. So that's helped me a lot to our practice our real interview.
That's nice. Do you feel that mock interview had been boosted your confidence?
Yeah, actually, I still remember that when I'm just attending my first mock interview, so I was a little bit nervous because I am first time actually just giving to mock interviews. So on that time nervous, but actually I'm not doing well on that particular interview. So after that, I still remember when I'm just giving my second interview. So it was actually on that time I was a little bit confident, and that build my the our technical skills in a good way. So actually that's I think it's helped me a lot to actually build up my confidence and remove the our hesitation.
That's really nice, where building your confidence and improving yourself matters a lot while you're going for an interview in a company. So, Saurabh, you got job recently. So, can you please walk us through that?
Yeah, actually, I was placed in scale computing. So that is the American-based MNC, and that provided our network and security services to our US-based client.
Okay.
And actually, my role was actually NOC engineer. So I have to troubleshoot our network issue, and whatever get the issue from our client. So I have to troubleshoot them.
That's nice. So, how was your interview process? What are the questions did they ask? How many rounds did you go through?
When I get the HR call, so I attend a one day drive. So on that drive, actually there was 5 rounds. So first round was a basics, our assessment round was there. So in assessment round, they are only checking our fundamental of networking, things like that. They were aware about that networking technology or not. And after when I'm just clearing my first round, so I went to our first technical round. So in that round, they are asking the basics of our OSI model, TCP IP model, and basics of routing, switching, and whatever you're mentioning in your resume. I had mentioned my firewall and the VPN part also. So they are asking the basic question from particular thing.
Okay.
And in second round, they are asking basics of the scenario, 1 to scenario questions, and that's all. And after that, my fourth round was HR round, and fifth was director round. So
Okay, that's really nice. How did you prepare for your interview?
before attending the real interview, actually I already inform you, actually I've attended 4 to 5 mock interview. So that's helped me a lot to prepare this particular interview, and I already have about that which type of question interview can ask from me and which type of scenario we can face in a real interview. That's I think mock interview helped me a lot to crack this on.
That's nice. Looking back, how was your overall experience here at Networkers Home?
Actually, when I'm joining this CCI module, so I don't have an idea which module I have to start at and which module I have to skip, because for fresher it doesn't require. So on that time, I actually contact to Amit sir guided me, okay, you can go through these modules. And also I would like to say a special thanks to our management team, those who are provided the communication classes and our resume building session also. And they are also at our network home provided the 24/7 labs, lab access. So that's helped me a lot to crack your job.
Okay, that's really nice. So, Saurabh, as we wrap up, would you like to give any motivational message to our students who are watching this, and any closing thoughts to our team Networkers Home?
Sure, actually, I would like to say the students who are planning to attend the mock interview are attending the real interview drive. So I would like to say be prepare your CCNA model, because in every interview, if you are going the real interview, so everyone first they are asking the question about the OSI model, TCP IP model. They are not actually directly jump to your security model, what is firewall and what is VPN. So be prepare your CCNA model and just stay focused and be confident. And I would like to say special thank to our networkers home, those who are actually provided me this platform to achieve my goal.
That was really great, Saurabh, and thank you for coming once again. Congratulations on your new job. Thank you.